This is a 2D and a 3D full HD high definition camcorder. This is our top of the line consumer camcorder slash prosumer camcorder. Some of the unique features about this camera are that this is one of the only 3 MOS camcorders in our line. What that means is that this has 3 separate sensors to process the red, blue, and green light. This is going to provide a much more vivid broadcast level video than a traditional 1 sensor camcorder. Another thing new to this camcorder for this year are that each of those MOS sensors are backside illuminated. So the low light capabilities of the 2013 X920 will exceed what we saw with the X900 from 2012. This camcorder starts with a 28mm wide-angle lens that is a f1.7 lens and has a 1/2.33 high-sensitivity MOS sensor. So this is a great low-light camcorder. And some of the new features for 2013 in this camcorder are that this is a Wi-Fi camcorder. And what I mean by a Wi-Fi camcorder is that this can connect to a Wi-Fi network, or this can connect to my smart device like an Android phone or tablet, or an iPhone or an iPad. So I can control the camera with a tablet or iPhone, and also upload my video to a smart device.
Ces démonstrations imaging, enfin recording, on peut faire comme ça. Je pense à la slow motion par exemple.
Maybe do it smaller than that. We could do it from a smartphone. Which camera is that? That's a GS3.
Have Wi-Fi and
some of them do. Like